friends, welcome back to my channel Simple Art Ideas, and I hope you are having a great time. And this is November, this is arrival of winter, and it's not too cold now, but it's arrival of winter is coming very soon, that we know. We can feel that in the air, and that's why it's a wonderful time, I feel. And first of all, I thank you very much for supporting me, because some of my Diwali videos did really well, and I am so happy for that. I feel encouraged now, and yeah, I hope I can create such beautiful stuffs for you that you're gonna love it. And for this month, I have decided that I will do some Christmas related, holiday related videos that can be simple doodling, can be sketches, can be watercolor paintings, watercolor cards for the Christmas theme, holiday theme, and winter theme. So that's what I'm going to share with you. And yes, if you are new to my channel, please press the bell icon and subscribe to my channel so you get notified as soon as a new video is published. And stay connected to me, be creative, stay creative. And if you have any beautiful idea in your mind, or any experimental idea in your mind that's bubbling and you are not able to do, or you want me to do, please share in the comment section so that I can do something beautiful for you. I can try. And bye bye, we'll meet soon. Bye.